how to edit medical ID on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, if you want to edit your medical ID, then you'll need to go to the Health app on your iPhone, and then you'll find your profile icon on the top right corner of the screen. Go ahead and tap on it. Go to Medical ID, and here you can put in your name, your age, pregnancy details, medications, allergy, your height, weight, blood group, as well as the emergency contacts that can be contacted if you are in a emergency situation. And if you toggle on the show when locked, then your medical ID can be viewed when iPhone is locked by tapping the emergency then medical ID. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.